To get a YouTube channel monetized, you first need to work on meeting the YouTube partner requirement, which means getting 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. 4,000 watch hours are equal to 240,000 minutes. The question you have right now is, how do you get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours? But before that, you must understand some facts about YouTube. As you keep uploading more videos to YouTube with time, you will begin to get subscribers, and as more people view the videos, your watch time will continue to increase. YouTube also planted a trap in this journey to make it hard for beginners to get monetized overnight. The 4,000 watch hours must be met within 12 months to be eligible for monetization, because to them it is just a filter to ensure that only dedicated people can become YouTube partners. This means that if you started a YouTube channel on January 1, 2022 and uploaded your first video, which has a total of 200 views and let's say a watch hour of around 100 hours, and that video has a total of 1,000 watch hours by the end of December 30, 2022, you must expect by January 2022, you only need to work to get 3,000 watch hours. The truth is, starting the next January, the watch hours in the past January will be subtracted from the total watch hours you have towards your eligibility. In this case, the first 200 hours will be replaced by the one you got this January 2023 and for the other following month. This might be hard to understand, but YouTube wants you to get the 4,000 watch hours in 12 months before you can apply for monetization, and anything else outside this doesn't work. Then what about getting subscribers? You may ask, well, the interesting thing is that it is easier to get 4,000 watch hours than it is to get 1,000 subscribers, and you might be surprised. Well, that's true because people are selfish about hitting the subscribe button on YouTube, despite that it costs them nothing but a click. A video can have thousands of views but have a minimum of 100 subscribers. To get subscribers, one also needs to upload many quality videos and no viewers subscribe. Still, one trick that works most time is by reminding viewers to subscribe to your video. Because of that, you need to be deliberate about getting subscribers as fast as possible. It is like the main currency to get monetized on YouTube. Every time you watch a video, make sure to like and subscribe it to show appreciation and support for creators so that good karma can also come your way. Now let's talk about it. There are 5 major ways to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours fast for YouTube monetization. The first one is build and they will come. Keep creating quality content or uploading interesting content, and gradually your subscribers and watch time will increase. But this is like letting YouTube decide the future, and many beginners get stuck in this place if they are not lucky with content. Sometimes it only takes between 1 to 5 videos of yours to get picked by YouTube algorithm for you to get favored. Number 2, use paid adverts. You can pay to promote your YouTube channel anywhere, including YouTube, but if you use YouTube ads to promote your YouTube channel, only subscribers gained will be counted, and watch time gains will not be counted towards your 4,000 watch hour. Again, this is only recommended for beginners. If you want you to get subscriber or if you know what you are doing, you can use other promotion methods outside of YouTube too. Number 3, YouTube SEO. Another way you can make sure to get views and subscriber is to do what's called YouTube video optimization. This involves using a keyword that people are likely to type on YouTube to watch a video. You do this by adding tags to each video you upload, and this works a lot sometimes to get you seen by a targeted audience who watch the video and subscribe to your channel as it matches their interest. Number 4, free self-promotion. You can also self-promote your channel by sharing your videos on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, Instagram, and so on for people to see your videos, view them, and eventually subscribe. You can get your friends, family members, and their friends to watch your videos and subscribe to your channel. Of course, this will take a lot of time, and it's not a good strategy for a beginner to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours quickly. However, it still works big time if you are dedicated enough to the cause. Number 5, use a social exchange network. Social exchange networks are websites that connect people looking to get a following, likes, views, subscribers, etc. on various social media networks. These people will interact with each other content and do what is in there. For example, if you join a social network, you will be asked to exchange, to subscribe, and view other people's channel. In return, they will subscribe to yours, which can be for likes, views, share, comments, and so on. What makes this appealing for beginners is because it is free and you don't need to invest anymore. All you need is just your time to participate in the social exchange network. The method you use out of all of the above depends on your time, budget, and how fast you want to reach this milestone. And there is nothing stopping you from combining various methods to achieve your goal. In the next video, I'm going to show you the best way to get subscribers and views that speeds up the journey of growing your channel as fast as possible. Click the link in the description or pinned comment to get it.